Fear factor. Thieves target Northern Caribbean University students as they make their way home from the Mandeville campus. This evening, what the police are doing. Good evening, and thanks for joining us at Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Disturbing the Dead, a new development on land that was a cemetery in St. Andrews.
Safety concern, man killed in Clarendon workplace accident.
Recount the divisions in which candidates want judges to examine ballots cast in Monday's election.
And in the financial week, plans being made to redouble exports in 4 years.
There's also international stories, bite of the week, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
We're asking, do you think enough is being done to ensure proper occupational health and safety practices on work sites island-wide?
You can also share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.